we will talk about the Baseus Inspire Series XC1 earbuds. So this is basically the new earbuds from Baseus. The case is made of plastic, and at the bottom there is a Type-C port for charging. There is also a reset button which can be used to reset Bluetooth and pair again. Now if we discuss some features, when we hold one earbud in hand, we can see there is a speaker. Beside the speaker grill, there are two magnets given, and there is a Sound by Bose label printed clearly. On this side, there is also a small switch. What exactly these switches do, we will see in the video. And the design expands elastically. If we check the other earbud, everything is exactly the same. Whatever is on that one is also on this one. No difference at all. There is a switch. Now let's see what each button actually does. So if we look here, the button at the bottom is actually for factory reset. If you press and hold it, the earbuds will reset. And the light we see here is currently green, which means the charge is above 40%. To know the exact percentage, you need to check inside the app. There's no way to know it otherwise. But if it ever goes below 40%, the color changes to yellow. And if it drops below 20%, the light turns red and starts blinking. At that point, you'll need to charge it. So that's about the charging status indicator. Both earbuds also support multi-device connection, which is a very cool feature they added. For that, you first take one earbud and connect it to one device. After it's connected, disconnect it from the device, then take the other earbud and connect it to another device. Once that's connected, if you turn the first device back on, both devices will connect at the same time. This means you can use both earbuds on two different devices simultaneously. Now, if we talk about the button controls, apart from volume up and down, all other functions are the same on both earbuds. If you press once, the music will play or pause. If you press and hold the left earbud for 1.5 seconds, the volume decreases. If you press and hold the right earbud for 1.5 seconds, the volume increases. If you press either earbud 3 times, it goes to the previous song. If you press twice, it goes to the next song. With a single press, you can answer calls, and by pressing and holding for 1.5 seconds, you can end the call. So now let's connect it with our mobile and check. To connect, simply open the case, then go to Bluetooth on your phone. Under available devices, you will see Baseus Inspire XC1. Click on it, confirm pairing, and now it's connected, showing 100% battery. So let's open the earbuds in our hands now. Now let's check if the music controls really work. I played a song. With a single press, the music paused. As you can see, the music stopped. If I press again, the music plays again. With a double press, it skips to the next song. With a triple press, it goes back to the previous song. And if I press and hold for 1.5 seconds, the volume decreases. If I press and hold the other side for 1.5 seconds, the volume increases. This is very nice. And if we check the sound quality, it sounds really good too. Now let's go into the app. From the Play Store, we downloaded the official app. When we click on it, it opens up. After opening, it asks you to connect the device. Before doing that, make sure to open the top cover of the case. Once it's open, click on Add Device. It will start searching for new devices. Here you can see that it found Inspire XC1. Just click on it. After clicking and adding the device, the earbuds will be added successfully, and then you'll see the option Start Using. Once you click it, the main interface opens. Here you can see the battery percentage, how much charge is left on the left earbud, on the right earbud, and the overall case battery. Below that, you can see the Dolby Audio option. When you turn it on, a small pop-up window appears saying that Dolby Audio must be enabled to get the best results. Once enabled, you get two options, music and cinema. Both sound amazing. In cinema mode, you get a theater-like experience, but in music mode, the sound feels very comfortable. Personally, I keep it on music mode. Below that, you can see the EQ option. Click on it, and here you'll find the most interesting thing, the main highlight of this product, Sound by Bose. There is a dedicated EQ option named Sound by Bose. When you select it, Dolby Audio automatically turns off, and then you can feel the unique Bose sound parameters. Apart from that, there are several other EQ modes, such as bass boost, hi-fi, live, pop, jazz, rock, clear treble, acoustic, and even a custom option. By clicking custom, you can adjust the sound exactly the way you want. You can save your custom profile, and you can also create multiple custom EQ presets by clicking the plus button. Now if we go back, the next option is low latency mode, mainly for gamers. Enabling it reduces lag and latency while gaming. In the sound settings, there are two more options. The first one is enhanced battery life. Turning this on reduces Dolby Audio, LDAC, and EQ boosts to minimal levels, so you get maximum possible battery backup. When you try to enable it, you'll see a notification warning that Dolby Audio, LDAC, and other features will automatically turn off. For now, I'll skip it. The second one is high-res audio. This is an excellent feature. When you turn it on, LDAC will also be enabled. The earbuds will restart once, and then high-res audio becomes active. Next, you'll see the gesture settings option. Here you can customize the touch controls as you like. For example, by default, pressing and holding the left side decreases the volume, and pressing and holding the right side increases it. But if you want to change it, you can adjust it from here. Just select and you'll see all kinds of options: mobile voice assistant, next, previous, play, pause, volume plus, volume minus, etc. You can set them however you prefer. This is a really great feature. And lastly, another unique feature is dual device connection. As I mentioned earlier, you can connect this earbud to two devices at the same time. For example, right now one of my devices is already connected. If I want to connect another one, I just click on Connect New Device, and it gives me the option to pair with a second device. Once paired, both devices remain connected simultaneously. This is a really amazing feature. You can listen to music from two devices at the same time. So these are basically the main things inside the app. There's nothing overly complicated here.
Now we will discuss some more product features in detail. After using the Baseus Inspire XC1 earbuds for several days, here's my detailed feedback. First off, the sound quality is impressive. The Dolby Audio and Sound by Bose EQ setting truly make a difference. Music feels clear, rich, and immersive, especially with the Super Bass 3.0 for low-end tones. The earbuds handle both movies and music well. Cinema mode adds a subtle theater feel, while music mode stays comfortable for long listening sessions. I really appreciate the multi-device connectivity, which makes it super convenient to switch between my laptop and phone without constantly pairing and unpairing. The touch controls are intuitive. Single press to play, pause, hold to adjust volume, double triple press for track navigation, and call management is smooth. The battery life is solid too. The case provides up to 40 hours of backup, and the earbuds themselves are very lightweight at 6 grams each, making them comfortable for extended use. However, there are a few drawbacks. The open-ear design is not ideal for noisy environments, as external sound leaks in easily. Also, while the app provides customization, I wish there was a way to check the exact battery percentage without opening the app, as the LED indicators are not very precise. Adding active noise cancellation ANC would make them even more appealing. Overall, the XC1 is a well-rounded, feature-packed pair of earbuds with excellent sound, lightweight design, and versatile app-based customization. With minor tweaks like ANC and more precise battery indicators, these could easily compete with higher-end Bose or Sony models. If you found this detailed Baseus Inspire XC1 review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews and unboxings. Comment below and let me know. Would you try these earbuds, or do you prefer another brand? Also check the description for the latest price and link to grab your own pair today. If you don't like open earbuds, then they've also released a bigger headphone called XH1, which comes with the same features. Here you can see two of them in front of you, available in two colors, one black and one orange. I'm personally using these, and trust me, I feel the sound quality is better than the XC1. Let me unbox the package a bit and show you how they actually look. Let's talk about sound. Powered by sound by Bose, the XH1 delivers an exceptional sound quality you can feel in every beat, from deep thundering bass to crystal clear highs. Its incredible sound profile ensures your music, podcasts, and calls sound exactly the way they were meant to. But it doesn't stop there. With premium adaptive ANC, the XH1 intelligently adjusts to your surroundings, blocking out distractions and immersing you in pure sound. Whether you're commuting, working, or just relaxing, the world fades away while your audio takes center stage. With 100 hours of week-long playtime, you can enjoy uninterrupted audio for days without worrying about recharging. That's nearly 4 full days of listening on a single charge, longer than any trip, playlist, or work week you can throw at it. Comfort matters just as much as sound. The XH1 features velvet-like cloud comfort ear cushions designed to wrap your ears in softness, making long listening sessions feel effortless. Lightweight yet durable, these headphones redefine what comfort in audio really means. And when it comes to calls, clarity is everything. Equipped with 5-mic AI clear calls, the XH1 filters out background noise so your voice is always front and center. From busy streets to quiet offices, your conversations sound professional, natural, and crystal clear. The Baseus XH1 isn't just another pair of headphones, it's your all-day companion for sound, comfort, and communication. Experience the future of audio, built for those who demand more. Baseus XH1, hear more, feel more, be more.